Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about why we lose our baby teeth together today. Yay! Look at my wiggly tooth, everyone. Maya and Professor Paws are checking it while Zippy scans my mouth and Leo barks. Boing! Maya says baby teeth are like small scouts that hold the space for the big adult teeth that will come later. Pope!
Our mouths are small when we are babies, so we need tiny teeth to help us eat and talk very clearly.
Time.
Professor Paws points to his chart, explaining that our jawbones grow much bigger as we get older and taller every day. Hoot! Zippy projects a glowing blue hologram showing the permanent teeth hiding right underneath the baby teeth, waiting for their big turn. Whoosh! When adult teeth start growing, they slowly push against the baby teeth, making the baby teeth roots slowly dissolve and disappear. Shh! Leo watches as I wiggle my tooth with my tongue, while Maya and Professor Paws count how many teeth are loose. Woof! Don't worry, friends. Losing a tooth is natural and usually does not hurt because your body is making room for growth. Once the baby tooth falls out, the big permanent tooth can finally poke through the gums and start its long job. Ta-da! Adult teeth are much stronger and larger because we need them to chew harder foods for the rest of our lives. Crunch! Professor Paws says that losing milk teeth is a very special milestone that shows we are growing into big, healthy kids. Tweet! We must brush our new teeth twice every day to keep them shining bright, while Zippy reminds us to use toothpaste. Swish! Leo wags his tail as we all smile together, showing off our gaps and our healthy, strong, and very white teeth. We learned so much today. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. Ding! See you soon for more fun and learning.